What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know it's a NEWLINK there, and from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. So now my people was going through and I see this article, and it's based upon a goat where the man who own this goat people say, yo, it's a guard goat. You know what I mean? So this goat could have take place of any dog. And when me see this thing of people, me have said John was star. So this so interesting to me, people. Interesting to me, and me decide me have to read the whole thing upon these people. And John, after me read it, viewers and subscribers, me decide say, yo, go on, but I have to share this with my viewers and my subscribers, because this goat I know, to what the man describe this goat, people, it seem like NEWLINK have to find this goat and keep this goat for my personal security. Yeah, alright, so let me just get this article to the people, because yo, guard goat owner says ram could take place of any security dogs. Richard Sashi Dread Joseph, owner of the goat, which he calls Chica, said has decided to rid himself of the animal because it is becoming increasing vicious. Jano star. Right now, I can't even take my eye off of him. The last couple of times I take my eye off him and like him watch me and realize him butt me straight down the ground. So me kinda get afraid of him. Plus him a take up whole heap of my time because me have to be watching him, he said. Joseph said he has lost count of how many persons Chica has attacked, stating that the ram goat drives more fear into some persons in the tough community of Effortville, where it now lives. Jano Star. So this a goat must can't deal with gunman. Chica but done dozens of people until me kinda lost count. It's a good thing me live good with people, or else him would have cost me a lot of money for damages. Right now, people afraid of the goat here, more than gunman in the community, the owner said. He estimates that the goat, which is a cross between the Alpine and Boer breeds, weighs about 100 pounds. He is prepared to part with the animal through a raffle, adding that he has not been able to attract buyers for the animal because of its size. Me I go print up some ticket and sell them for $1,000. $1,000 and give it to the person who win the raffle. But if somebody want buy Chica, me willing to sell him them for 150,000 Jamaican dollar. Or if them have 130,000 Jamaican dollar, me will take it too, Joseph said. Anybody who buy Chica don't need no form of security, all because him play the role they good. Nobody now can come in them yard so easy. A thief can tame a dog and him cool up, but not this goat at all. He's a bad man goat, so the big head pitbull them is no match for him, he said between laughter. Me I go miss him when him gone cause me little security, but me I get afraid of him and the people them in the place afraid of him too. Me apologize for your whole if you all of who him but done, and me know what me I go give him some of them after him sell is not much, but me just want to give back something, he added. Jano Star, viewers and subscribers, hear me I tell about the goat now. Zine, right now, 130,000 Jamaican dollar, cause that the boss say, you know. If you have, you will give for that, you know what I mean? Me da rather buy the goat right now than a pit bull. You get me? I say, yeah man, because toward the goat you move people. The man say all gunman afraid of the goat, bad man afraid of the goat, thief afraid of the goat, everybody afraid of the goat. The man say not even a big head pit bull can match up to the goat. Because what the man say, you know, a dog can tame was a real thing, people. But not every dog can tame still, you know. But him say dog can tame. Wish you have some dog can tame. Now, you see a dog bad, some dog bad, you know. You know, you say I can tame them once you can catch them with look of food. As I said, not every dog. But Chica now, people, is a goat where the man has described. Because if a goat, a but done the owner where you take care of him, people, where him have for much years. You know what I mean? That's the man get fear in the goat and said that's the reason he love the goat, but that's the reason why I get rid of him, people. And deep inside, you can see the man even want to sell the goat, meaning kill the goat and do nothing with the meat or anything like that. Basically, the man tell us say you have to buy the goat and keep the goat for security purposes. So, yo, Jano Star, so anybody, man, when you can go find the boss in Effortville, man, and go secure the goat before NEWLINK, because it seems like NEWLINK go for him, you understand? So, Chica security goat, big up yourself, man, because you don't know NEWLINK always as a peace in a people and deal with security things and security, right? And for the people, them safety. So now NEWLINK go on a chance now to get to know own security. See it, yeah? Chica, go find the man, the Rasta F4ville with the big goat. You understand, we're worth 130,000 Jamaican dollar. Basically, that's say a grand US, you know what I mean, or 90 US, or you know what I mean, no grand US, yeah, grand US or say 900 US, you know what I mean, you can get Chica, so just farm up that one and, you know what I mean, go secure yourself with Chica. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK production people, and we say attack, and I just more love and more respect, man, and just be good and be great and be safe out there, viewers. I don't know, big up on yourself, man. Don't know, different style, different time. Peace out, attack them.